The 2025 BMW M9 is the pinnacle of BMW's M series, blending cutting-edge technology, hybrid performance, and aggressive styling. As an ultra-luxury supercar, it promises an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining the brand's signature craftsmanship. Performance. Under the hood, the M9 boasts an 850 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid engine, capable of rocketing from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. With an all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it delivers precision handling and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Exterior design. The M9's aerodynamic body features aggressive lines, a bold front grille, and lightweight materials that enhance both aesthetics and performance. Advanced air intakes and active aerodynamics contribute to its commanding presence on the road. Interior design. Inside, the M9 exudes luxury with high-quality materials, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an expansive touchscreen infotainment system. The cabin is designed for both comfort and performance, offering premium seating, advanced driver assistance features, and the latest in BMW's infotainment technology. Fuel efficiency. Despite being a hybrid, the M9 prioritizes performance over fuel savings. It offers an estimated 20 mpg in the city and 25 mpg on the highway, making it more efficient than traditional supercars but less so than mainstream hybridization. The 2025 BMW M9 is a masterpiece of engineering, combining breathtaking performance with luxury and exclusivity. While its high price and limited availability make it a rare gem, for those who can afford it, the M9 delivers an unmatched driving experience.